Okay, so the problem I'm going to be solving is homework 4.2, which is also, I believe, 5.1 from the book. Um, so this is a set of block diagrams, and we are going to um, transform that into a transfer function. Um, and first we have to get it into a normal equation, and then we manipulate that into a transfer function form. Um, so I'm just going to go through the diagram first. Um, f of s is inputted over here, and it is summed with x of s, which comes from over here. Um, and then that function is multiplied by 6, and then it's summed by, let's see here, x of s times 4, because that comes through here. And then the whole thing is multiplied by 1 over s, and that outputs x of s. So I'll do it again a little slower. So we start out at point 1. Right before point 1, we have a summer. We have f of s minus x of s. So I'll write that out. 1, we have f of s minus x of s. And then at point 2, a square, all it does is just multiplies whatever function you have by the number inside. So at point 2, we have 6 times f of s minus x of s. And the 6 is distributed through. Then at point 3, I'll draw that up here. Point 3 is right here. We have, before you get to point 3, we have a summer. So it is the stuff that comes from point 2, so 6 times f of s minus x of s, plus this thing from the bottom here, which is x of s times 4. That's added to this part here. So at 3 we have 6 times f of s minus x of s, just like before, plus 4 times x of s. And then at point 4, we just take what comes into it, or sorry, what comes into this thing, and multiply that by 1 over s. So we just have 1 over s times 6 times f of s minus x of s plus 4x of s. Yeah, that's good. Okay. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to simplify it down. Oh, one more thing. So this right here, this at point 4 is equal to x of s. So I'm just going to write that out here and start to simplify it. So I'll just rewrite it to start. So x of s equals, let's see here. 1 over s times 6 f of s minus x of s plus 4 times x of s. I put one too many parentheses in over there, so. And then starting to simplify that, I'm going to multiply the s to the other side and factor the 6 through, or sorry, distribute the 6 through. So s x of s equals, let's see, what is this? 6 f of s minus 2 x of s. Yeah, so the 6 x of s, and then negative 6 x of s plus positive for x of s gives you negative 2x of s. So for a transfer function, you need to have it's of the what is the format. A transfer function is it is x of s, so the output over the input, x of s over f of s. So to do that, I'm going to move all the x of s's to one side. So s xs plus 2xs equals 6 fs. And I'm going to divide by f of s. So we have s xs plus 2xs divided by f of s equals 6. And so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to factor out the s and I'm going to factor out x of s from the numerator. So we have xs times s plus 2 over fs equals 6. And then I just want xs over fs. So I'm just going to divide this out. So xs over fs equals 6 over s plus 2. So here, that is your transfer function.